cutting or sanding or detail work on the front. I'm getting started on the back. Sketching. I gotta get started on there anyway because I have to start making a mess before the pool guys come. If you were a pool guy, you would hate me because of all the wood that's going to be flying around here and into your work and into your water if they fill it. So at least we can get started back here. I can concentrate if I know there's no power. We might have some rain, so I have to crayon over the chalk just in case so I don't lose my work. So getting started on the two twins here. They're not going to be twins in the face, but the bodies are going to be about the same. And this wood's a little rougher. Can't do a lot of detail work here because it'll flake off. I don't know why they ended up with different quality wood, but that's going to flake off if you do a lot of flowers and intricate work. So we'll just have to have a couple rough guys back here.